Namaste, I am Rohan Bandankar, and in this video I'll be dealing with Cronbach alpha, what and how, and I will discuss to calculate the Cronbach alpha in SPSS. And you can follow me in my blog rohanbandankar.com.np and in facebook.com/rohanb.np. So now I will first discuss about what is Cronbach alpha. For this, Cronbach alpha is a tool to check the reliability of a questionnaire or a set of questionnaires. A value lies between 0 and 1. The value of Cronbach alpha lies between 0 and 1, and higher the value greater than 0.6 or 0.7 is preferable, but uh, what but it is general notation that the value greater than 0.7 is more preferable. Since the higher value is preferable, we will prefer 0.6 to 0.7 to 0.6. Higher value denotes existence of higher reliability in response. So following these points, I will go towards the formula of Cronbach alpha. Its alpha equals to n by n minus 1. N is number of questions. 1 minus summation vi means variance of question I, variance of scores on each question. That is, I is the question number of question, that is question 1, question 2 and question 3, divided by v test means total variance of overall score on the entire test. If we use this formula, then we can calculate the Cronbach alpha manually, but in this video we will not learn it, or we will not do it manually, we will do through the software. So how to calculate it? So now we will move towards SPSS. I will open it and I will import one data set. This data set is given in the description below, and you can also download it. I will search for my data sets, its management data set. Open. I have imported it, and let's check the variables. Now I want to confirm that these values are all the variables, or these questions are all of Likert scale, because the choice is 1 means strongly disagree and 5 means strongly agree, and this is 5-point Likert scale, and I think the whole question is of Likert scale. So now I want to check the reliability of these questions, and for this I want to confirm the grouping of the questions. So to do so, I will go to the Excel data and I will confirm it. So from question number 6 to question number 11, it's the question about the work environment, and why we calculate the Cronbach alpha in this section is clearly understood from these cells. And I want to ask a question: what is reliability? Reliability is simply the process of consistency in the response. If the response is constant, then we say it that the questionnaire is reliable. But if the response is not constant, then the questionnaire is not reliable. For example, in the in this question set of the work environment, I have these 5 questions, and 5 questions will jointly measure the work environment. And the first question is the company policy supports staff. Second is the communication between staff and the upper leadership is effective, and so on. And one is strongly disagree and 5 is strongly agree. And if an employee thinks that the work environment is good, then he will choose 5 or 4 for all these questions. But in case he chooses 5 for the company policy supports staff and 1 for The second question, that is communication between staff and leadership is effective, and again he chooses 5 for the member of my department are cooperative. Then there is no reliable, or the response is not reliable, because the first question and second question are linked up. If the company policy supports staff, then there must be a good communication between staff and upper leadership. So these all questions are related, and the answer must also be alike, or they must be similar. And the Cronbach alpha always checks the internal reliability or the consistency in the response. So I will check the Cronbach alpha value for these 5 questions in this questionnaire, and for this I will go to SPSS, and from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, this is the question for work environment. So I will go for checking the reliability. In order to check reliability, I'll go to analyze, and I will go to the scale, and I'll go to reliability analysis. I will stop my cursor here. Analyze, we'll go to analyze, we'll go to scale, and finally we'll go to reliability analysis. I'll repeat it again. We'll go to analyze, scale, and reliability scale. Reliability analysis. I click on it, and the dialog box will appear. So here I will choose these 5 questions: question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. I will drag it towards right. I think it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, and it's alpha. And let's check in statistics. Here we need item and scale. If item is deleted, we will only choose these two components, and we'll choose continue, and we will click on OK. So our result is OK, and we have obtained it. Here I will look over the Cronbach alpha value. It's 0.689. It's near to 7, and I will go on the last table, and I will see the last column. And last column means that Cronbach alpha if item deleted. If we delete one question, or one question from the set of these 5 questionnaires, then the Cronbach value will be given as in this column. If I delete the first question, that is the company policy support staff, then the Cronbach alpha value will be 0.627. The value will degrade from 0.689, and the interpretation is similar for others. And if I delete the last question, there is flexibility work scheduling in work, then the Cronbach alpha will upgrade. So now let's check it. I'll go to analyze, and I will go to scale, reliability analysis, and I will drop this question from the list, and I'll click on OK. Then let's check it. It's 0.727. The value of Cronbach alpha has upgraded from 0.689 to 0.727. If you have any queries, then you can ask in the comment box below, and please subscribe to my channel Learn with Rohan, Study Deeper, and please follow me in the Facebook page, personal Facebook, YouTube, and the Instagram. The links are given, and if you have any queries, then you can ask me in the comment box below. Thank you.